Hello, 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 everyone that's out there. Happy Monday. It's Amanda back with another live video. If you are tuning in, please let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you're watching this later on today, please hashtag replay so I can see how many people is tuning in and how many people is actually able to see this video. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in and to give you some information about Impact Mailing Club, which I have been a part of now since May, June, and it's going really well. So I have some people to shout out. I've received some envelopes in the mail. I'm going to go ahead and open those up today. And what I basically want to do is to acknowledge those who signed up. And not only that, tell people what Impact Mailing Club is all about, how to get started, the special that we have going on that's going to be between now and November 14th. Okay, so right now we have a special that's going on. Hey Mona, thanks so much for tuning in. We have a special that's going on between now all the way to November 14th. Those who come in at the sapphire level will automatically get upgraded to the diamond level. So that is spectacular in itself, because now people will be able to take advantage of the higher level without having to pay $2,000. Okay, so that's really, really exciting. And it's just amazing that people will be able to take advantage of an opportunity like this and get in for only paying up to the sapphire level. So we have Antonio. I received your package. He came in at the emerald level, which is a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much for joining, Antonio. I'm glad to have you a part of the team. Antonio actually did not sign up under me directly. He came in under someone else that's within my downline. So what that tells me is that people on the team are making sales, and that's what we want. We want to see everybody win. And when people actually is building this business other than yourself, you make money from the efforts of your team. Okay, so for those that don't know, with Impact Mailing Club, they have a total of 4 levels. You have the emerald level being the lowest level, which is $100 to get in. Then you have the ruby level, which is $250 to get in, the sapphire, which is $500, and then the diamond level, which is $2,000. And again, for this month, we have just till November 14th, those who come in at the sapphire level are automatically upgraded to the diamond level. So I'm opening up another package that I received. Here it is from Billy. Let's see what we have here. I don't have my opener with me today, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this by hand. And he wrapped it up in this magazine. So Billy from Georgia, thanks so much. I received your packet. Make sure to get back with your sponsor to get your cover letter done, and not only that, to also get your website for your cover letter. Okay, so Billy came in at the sapphire level. He signed up with someone within my downline, so this is not a direct referral. I received $100. He came in at the sapphire level and 1 book of stamps. Sapphire level is supposed to be two books of stamps, but that's okay. He probably didn't know, or he probably overlooked it. But again, Billy, thanks so much for signing up. Please make sure to get back with your sponsor so that you can get your cover letter, personalized cover letter, and your website. I do make sure that everyone on my team has a customized cover letter, because you want to brand yourself in this business. You want people to be able to contact you directly to get started, and make sure that they have your information. So here I have one from Michael. Hey LaShawn, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey Christy. Hey Deborah, thanks for tuning in. Hey Ashley, thanks so much for tuning in. And we have Michael, who came in at the emerald level. That's a $20 payment and also 1 book of stamps. I've done really good with this opportunity so far. I'm up to close to $40,000 in payments since I signed up. And it's going to get better because we are in our peak season. For those that don't know, for online and offline marketers, this is the season where you make a ton of money because there's a lot of people that are looking to get into home-based business opportunities. Okay, so I have this payment that came in from Leon. Leon signed up. Leon from West Virginia. Thanks so much for signing up and being a part of the team. Leon, he sent in a cashier's check, and sometimes that happens. People send in money orders, cashier checks. I also received electronic payment for $300 today. So he came in at the Sapphire level. That's a $100 payout. Okay. And he gave me a letter. He is upgrading to the Sapphire, which is going to automatically push him to the next level. And Leon is now going to be able to take advantage of the Diamond membership. Okay. So again, I have a cashier's check for $100. Thanks so much, Leon. Glad to have you a part of the team. Let's see what else we have here. Here's another envelope that came in from Amber. Let's see what we have. And for those that don't know, Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail opportunity. There's a lot of people that's doing direct mail. There's a lot of different opportunities. This is the one that I chose just because I wanted something that had really good customer service support. And not only that, I wanted an opportunity where I can build a lot of momentum, and that's why I decided to go with this opportunity. Not only that, I believe that the price points are perfect for people, newbies, and people who are looking to add to what they're already doing. Okay, so that's why I got into this opportunity. So we have Amber, who came in at the Emeralds level. I received 1 book of stamps and $20. Thanks so much, Amber. She did not sign up with me directly. This sign up came in from someone that is on my team. So thanks so much, Amber. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, I have another one here. Another mailing that came in from Joseph. Let's see what we have here. Joseph. Here's the envelope. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we have here. Joseph came in at the Ruby level. He signed up with me directly, and I received a $150 payment and also 2 books of stamps. So this came in from Joseph at the Ruby level. Here's the 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining the opportunity with me. Make sure to reach out to me so that you can get your cover letter and your website. Okay. Robert, Freddie, thanks so much for tuning in. Here we have another payment that came in. Let's see what we have here. Okay. This came in from Jamie. Jamie, let's see what level Jamie came in at. Came in from Jamie. And Jamie came in at the Sapphire level. Jamie did not sign up with me directly. I received a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. This person signed up with someone that's a part of my team. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. And that was from Jamie. We have another payment here. Here's another envelope. Let's see what we have. Okay, this came in from Mary. Mary came in at the sapphire level. This was an upgrade. Here we have 2 books of stamps from Mary from Mary. She came in at the sapphire level, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. So Mary is now going to be able to get the diamond upgrade for no additional charge. For those that come in at the sapphire level, that automatically get that upgrade, they are going to receive 400 kill and stick labels and 200 postcards by mail along with their welcome packet. Okay, so for all upgraded members, they will receive this information by mail, and not only that, they'll receive their order form by email. Okay, so I have Kalia here who came in at the ruby level. She probably made an electronic payment because I just have 2 books of stamps. I have a lot of people that make do the electronic payments. So I received your 2 book stamps in the mail. Here you go. Thanks so much for being a part of the team. Glad to have you aboard. Let's see what else we have here. Hey Kim, thanks for tuning in. This came in from Stephanie. Let's see what we have. Stephanie from Ohio. Okay. Okay, Stephanie, she came in at the ruby level, which is a $50 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Stephanie. Glad to have you a part of the team. And then here we have a payment from Janice. Janice came in at the lowest level, $20 payment. Okay. I didn't get any book of stamps with this. Let's see what else we have here. And then we have one from Mike. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Here's the envelope. Mike came in at the sapphire level, $300 payment. Okay. And we also have here 2 books of stamps. Okay, so you're all set, Mike. Mike from Oklahoma, I have your payment. Glad to have you a part of the team. And last but not least, this came in. It came in kind of messed up. I don't know what happened, but it's wet. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's really a mess. Oh, let's see what we have. Sometimes that happens. Things get like messed up in the mail. It doesn't happen often, but it definitely does happen. Okay, good thing they put it in another envelope. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this came in from Vanette. Vanette came in at the sapphire level, which was an upgrade. So I received 150 bucks. Okay, and that came in from Vanette. So I just want to say thank you to all of those that joined the team. Glad to have you a part of the team. And not only that, again, please make sure to reach out to your sponsor. This is a great opportunity. I've been doing really well with this opportunity over the last few months. And, you know, you can promote this opportunity online or offline. It's good to promote in both ways, you know. Some people have a following online, and if you have a website, you can do that. You can also just mail out flyers, okay? Which I know a lot of people that do that as well. So here's all of the payments that I received, guys, for this week, and it's only Monday, okay? So these are all the payments, and this is only Monday, okay? Along with my stamps, some certified checks, and some money orders, okay? So I'm excited about this opportunity. We are in a peak season. If you're interested in getting that free upgrade, please make sure to reach out to me so that we can get you started. Again, I just want to say thank you to everyone that joined the team. We are in a peak season. This is going to be a great holiday season for many people who decide to join a home-based business opportunity. So I want to say thanks again. Thanks for tuning into this video, and enjoy your week.